Hi everyone, this is the Pen Plus Gear scientific calculator. And some people have asked me, how do you round in this calculator? For example, let's say you had 9 divided by 160. 9 divided by 160, you press equals, and it gives you 0.05625. And you wanted to round it in the tenths hundredths place. How do you do that? Well, if you press the mode button once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times, there's a fix, and you can press the number 1 here. And then it says, where do you want it fixed? I want to fix it at after 2 decimal places. And you can see it says 0.06. How come? Well, this 6 right next to the 5 is 5 or above, so you round this 5 into a 6. Okay? Now be careful, because sometimes when you have, let's say, 9.128 divided by 4,000, let's say, okay, and you press equals, you might think, oh my gosh, it's just giving me a bunch of zeros. Why doesn't it have an answer? Well, the thing is that you're still in fixed mode. So you got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5. And you got to press 3. And then press 1. And now you have the value here, 2.282 times 10 to the minus 3. Okay, so be very aware that if your calculator is giving you a bunch of zeros, it might be because it's in that fixed mode. Okay, I hope that was interesting. I hope that gives you value. Please give it a thumbs up, this video, if you like it. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Please tell your schoolmates. Please tell your teacher. I hope you have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.